guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 57, I think. So, as you can see, we got my Firelight BG12L, System Sensor P2R, I3, and we got my SR up there. So, basically just another common system, because why not? But before I actually pull the alarm, fair warning, there will be strobe lights going, because that's how fire alarms work. So if you are sensitive to that, please don't watch. And don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, because it's a big fine. Anyway, let's pull the fire alarm, though. My fire alarm. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and then we will be activating the smoke detector. Just don't tamper with fire alarms, by the way, because that's a bad thing. Alright, there we go. Activated. See how loud it is out there. Decently loud. Alright, so actually, I'm going to activate supervisory too, because why not, right? Alright, let's do this. Like right here, something. There we go. And then just supervisory. Alright, so that should be everything working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.